Alright, so welcome to the news tutorial. I'm going to show how to create a news page, how to post news as admin, and how to add comments and rating to your news. This is going to be a long tutorial, so I hope it will help. Anyway, let's first create a file called addnews.php. In this file there will be a form that will allow us to store data to our MySQL, and in PHP Photos will be a query. It will actually store data to MySQL database. So first we need a database. Actually first we need to include or connect. Connect.php. So that's it. Let's create a table for MySQL now. And what we need in MySQL is a table called news. And for news we're going to need an ID. Then we're going to need user ID and title, text called news, and date posted. This date posted is if you want to display who posted the news. So for ID row, let's make it auto increment and primary key. User ID will be varchar and 20 or whatever the maximum length of your usernames is. Title will be text and news will be text. Date posted will be date time. So you just save your table. I'm not going to, I already have it. Back to our addnews.php. Let's create a form. Form name will be addnews. Method will be post. Action will be self action. Let's end it and insert an input field for our title. Name will be title. Name will be title. Type will be text. Sorry. And let's end this. Then we need a text area. Text area will be where the news will be posted, so we name it news. We can end this. And of course we're going to need an input. we're going to need a submit button. Type would be submit. Name would be submit. No, add news. And value would be add news. So actually we should add something like this: title, and after this break, and now new, or let's say text. So, and break here. So we can now check how it looks. Looks like this. You should design it to look better, of course. Oh, now we should add data to MySQL. If is set post to add news, and what happens is MySQL would make a query that will insert our data into news, and it will set our title to, oh, I forgot, let's make the query and we'll add the variables later. Title news would be set as news. We call it news. Then user ID would be our session. I always make this mistake. Okay, session, now we need date posted, and this should be as set as now. Let's just check if we didn't forget any apostrophes. I do that a lot. Okay, we didn't. We can end this. Now we need to create variables for data sent from our form. First, title. Title should be set as post title. We call this title. And news should be set as post news, as we call this news. So this should work now. I mean, this works now. So basically that's it for add news. I'm going to show how to restrict it to admin only later. So add only one apostrophe here, because we're gonna have to echo it. Okay. Anyway, I'll just stop this video now and continue with our index or news.php. See ya.